Hey y'all, it's Denise, and it's a Saturday morning, and I am working outside on my carport today, and I got kind of a crazy project I'm working on. And as you may know, my studio sessions are all about what I'm working on in the studio that week, and I'm sharing that with you. And this one is really fun and completely out of my wheelhouse, but I'm really enjoying it. And what it is I'm working on a collaborative piece with another artist. And Scott Bruckner is a wonderful wood sculptor. He does fantastic wood sculpting. And so he asked me quite a while ago if I would collaborate with him on a piece. And I, of course, said yes, not realizing what I was getting myself into. But here I am, and here is the piece. I'm not even close to being done with it yet. It's Saturday morning, and I want to have it ready to enter into a show on Monday that is through, I forget who it's through. I'm going to add that in the links below, who the show is for. And it's called Working Together. And it's all about collaborative work, which I've done in the past, mostly with paintings. And I find it really, really kind of fun and exciting, and it gets you thinking in a whole new way. So Scott has created a sculpted, it's got a lot of stuff going on. Let me see if I can turn it, and if you can see what's going on here. And let me just tell you what I've gotten so far on this. I started painting it. This really came together pretty organically. I started painting it just to get a color on, and I was doing turquoise and blue, and because that's what I had on my table ready to go. So I just started brushing that on and then dripping water, and I got all these wonderful drips that really, really, I'm loving the drips. I could have stopped there. So that kind of like led me into, I think this piece is going to be about water, and I live on the coast in Southern California. It was a beautiful sunny day. It made me think I should be at the beach today. Instead, I created the beach. And as I was working along, I used, on these spindly pieces, and I think there's 3 of them. There's one up here too, and here's a 3rd one here. I added the polka dots, and that's my favorite polka dot napkin for those of you who know my work and have taken classes from me before. So I added that onto those 3 pieces, and all of a sudden it was an octopus. So as I was working along, which often happens, is titles just come up. And that's what happened here. This is going to be titled, when I'm done, An Octopus's Garden. So I'm still working on it today, and I'm going to work on it tomorrow. Of course, I'll add in some really quick video of me working on it in speeded up time. And hopefully I'll get it done and be able to do a short video during the week, or maybe even a YouTube short, and show you the final piece. But for now, I got to get working. I have to have this ready to enter into the show on Monday. And I'm kind of excited about it. And I hope Scott is too. I think he is. He's been wonderful to work with, and I'm really honored that he asked me to do this project with him. So in the week, I'll make sure to post that. And until then, got to get back to work. Have a great weekend. And before you click off, hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I love that. I really, really love that. And leave any questions or comments in the down below. Happy to answer anything, or more importantly, think about doing a collaborative piece with a friend or another artist, or something that's completely different than what you normally would do. It really is pretty expanding. It just opens you up to another way of seeing things. So see you later. Bye.